Okay, so Assalamualaikum. And good day to all of you. So I'm going to discuss the the exercise 6.1.1 number 1. Okay, so again traditional method. The proportion the proportion of the blood types, we have O, A, B and AB in the general population of UMP students are known to be in the ratio 49, 38, 9, 4 respectively. A research team investigating a small group of students at UMP and obtained the following frequency for each blood type. So here we have 4 categories. This is observed frequency. What we have here is an observed frequency. The data that being collected here is a frequency data. So test the hypothesis that the proportion in this group do not differ significantly from those in the general population. Okay. So test the hypothesis that the proportion in this group do not differ significantly from those in the general population. So we have the qualitative data with 4 categories. So automatically we cannot use any statistical analysis from chapter 3. We cannot use the proportion to proportion of single proportion. Okay, so we have 4 categories here. So proportion in this group do not differ significantly from those in the general population. So general population, this one. So this is a distribution. So you are given here distribution for you are given ratio as a distribution for each category here. Okay, so we try to see whether what we have here do not differ significantly from those in the general population. So this is expected, what we expect. Okay, the expected frequency calculated from here. So this is what we expect. This is actual data, the observed frequency. So we try to compare the observed frequency here, follow the expected frequency or not. Okay, they are similar or not. That's why it is a goodness of fit test. Okay, so in this group do not differ significantly. So if they are differ, then if do not differ here means that observe similar as a expected frequency. The actual performance follow what we expect. Okay, differ means that the actual performance here do not follow what we expect. So that's why here we have to apply the goodness of fit data. Goodness of fit task. Okay, so similar. The first step, your hypothesis. So the keyword here do not differ, no change, no preference. So here we have no do not differ or no difference. Okay, so H0 okay, the proportion do not differ significantly. Please excuse my writing. From those in the general population. Okay. H1, the keyword is differ. So the proportion in this group differ significantly from those in the general population. Okay, step 2 chi-square, but before this we have to calculate the PI. This is OI, and from PI we calculate the EI. Okay, so PI based on the given ratio. So we have 49 plus 38 plus 9 plus 4, so 100. So probability for the blood O here, the blood type O is a 0.49. So 49 divided by 100, and here 0.38, 0.09 and 0.04. And then based on here we calculate the E. So we need the N. So there's no N mentioned here, so you have to calculate. So N is a summation of OI. Okay, so because the frequency here, it is a number of your subject lah. Okay, so that's why it is an N. So 87, 59, 20 and 4. So 170. Okay, 170 multiplied with the 049, 83.3. Okay. Six 4.6, 15.3, 6.8, and then check whether your E here less than 5 or not. So in this case, there is no E less than 5, so you can proceed with the chi-square. Okay, so first category we have 87 minus okay, second okay, third one okay, so you will get okay, you can calculate that one. Now we check the answer. Okay, no need to show lah the how to calculate that one. You know how to calculate, so you should get 3.2465. Okay, so step 3, critical value. So as you know, it will be always write the test. Chi-square alpha 0.01, K here, okay, K here equal to 4. So since there is no category combined, so we use this K lah. So K equal to 4, 4 minus 1, we have 3. Find your statistical table, we have 11.3449. Okay, step 4, decision. So you can plot your chi-square test here in this figure. So it is less than 11.3449, so let's say somewhere here. So it is in accepted region, then decision do not reject. So chi-square test less than chi-square the critical value, then do not reject rational. Okay, step 5, the conclusion. As I said, you can write whether you reject the claim or not, but you have to state here lah, this is the claim. Or you can write which statement that you support. So do not reject hash null means that we accept the hash 1. So we support the hash the hash null. Okay, do not reject hash null means that we support the hash null here. So we can write the statement of hash null at your conclusion. So at alpha 0.01, okay, just write back your hash null. The proportion those in the general population. Okay, I think that's it. You can try the number 2 and number 3. If anything, please ask. You can ask me if you want. I'm Dr. Wana Shaida again, or you can ask your lecturer. Thank you. Enjoy your lesson.